take this privilege especially to thank WeCARE organization for supporting us in order to empower our children in the hostel and also in order to make them a good citizens of this world. I hope the benefits that have been rendered to us, this will be a great help in the future and at present for our children. Thanks a lot once again for extending your supporting hand.
What do you want to become in this world? What type of human being do you want to become? Do you want to be on the good side of the we can give you the facility, but the choice ultimately to grab this facility and do something for yourself is all in your hands. So please see that you use it for the good of your learning skills, as well as after that imparting the same learning skills and helping the world become better. Okay?
WeCARE Charitable Trust is to empower the youth. And one of the best ways of empowering to begin with, to empower the youth, is education. And so here we are supporting this project of computer education, where you will be taking benefit from this particular project and then get educated and then use your skills for the betterment of this world.
On behalf of WeCARE Trust, Brian and myself have come here to support this project, which was sponsored by WeCARE, so that the children can benefit from this venture. So WeCARE Charitable Trust that caters for various causes. One of them is the education of the youngsters, especially in the field of skill development. And we are happy to support this project and to enable our children to benefit from it and to make use of their employment skills.
We are here at Konceicao Balgram in Verna. This is a campus which has got many disciplines, and one of them is this place, a home for these children who are living here and studying in our campus. And we are happy that Uzoorba Technologies has made available to us through sponsors these 3 machines that are going to be of use for our children. That these children also have an opportunity now to enter into the world of Linux, which they normally don't do. They got used to Microsoft, and it was up and running in a short time. I thank all of you who have come here to get these things fixed, and I hope that our students will learn these methods. Thank you very much, and we are ever grateful for all these facilities that you have made available to us, and we look forward to use them fruitfully for the teaching of our children. Thank you.